Hi friends, in this video I am going to talk about how to publish and unpublish the web pages in AEM. Go to sites, e-retail, language master, English is our created page, first page. Select the page and do the quick publish. Otherwise we can use manage publication as well. Here we have option for publish and unpublish. We have option for scheduling. If you want to deploy it now, we can use the now option. If you want to later deployment, we can select the date and time for the deployment. And we have some other option as well. To activate the page, select the page and go to timeline and start workflow. Select the workflow model, request for activation and workflow title. Activation demo page. Then click next. Select the page. In inbox, we got notification for that workflow. You can complete it. Create version. It's showing for waiting for activation. Admin to activate the page. Now you see the page. Page is published by workflow process. This is the way we are going to publish the pages and assets in AEM. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video to your friends. Thanks again.